So let's hello everyone. I am Subham, and today we will starting Flutter development is- uh, video where I have sharing the two difference between what is the widgets and what is the stateless widget, what is the stateful widgets, and what their use cases and all things about that. Okay, so basically, you knowing that what is the Flutter? Flutter is a cross development toolkit which are created by Google on 2018, and the language which is used in Flutter that is the Dart programming language. And the Dart programming language are developed by Google in 2011, and it is a object-oriented programming language. So you have to learn about Dart language, and after that you should try building apps on the Flutter. So in Flutter you can able to create multiple platform apps. Okay, so I have already created one website for all articles whatever related to Flutter app development. All things will be put inside this website. I will give this website link in description. You can check that. Okay, so this is the website is the uh, this is the website taking notes virtual.app. Okay, so I have to go inside this website. Okay, so you can basically see this is website my. Okay, so okay, here this is the file hide or showing, and this is the techie GPT, and this is the dark mode, light mode, and this is the full screen. This is very useful whenever you have doing anything. Okay, so means read article. So today I will start what is the widgets. So here you can able to see a Flutter. In Flutter, a widgets is an instance of a class that can be used to build user interfaces. Okay, and widgets can be considered as a compound of a UI. You can use build user interface here, and they are reusable, flexible, making them a cornerstone of the Flutter element. So this is the visual element in the UI. Means widget is an object that corresponds to a visual element in the UI. Okay, in Flutter, all things are widgets. Means if you have create like test, this is also widgets. If you want to put image and you have using image widgets, that is also widgets. And container is also widgets. So there are various types of widgets like you have using scaffold or material app, Cupertino widgets. There are various widgets in all are related to Flutter widgets. Okay, here you can able to see this is the material widgets, Cupertino widgets, foundation widgets, custom widgets. This is the starting of whenever you have creating your Flutter project. Okay, and app. So basically, we have to focus today will on the what is the okay the difference between stateless and stateful widgets. So you should have to knowing about what is the stateless and stateful. In React or the web development, you knowing that in React you knowing that uh, we have passing state through different classes for using that state and set the state. For example, I will give you example of like dark mode. Okay, so you have create you have to initialize the state in man file, and you can able to use that state in various pages. Okay, you have to simply put any icons, and with the time you can able to change, and all pages are changing. This is the simple step. Okay, you can able to see here, this is my dark mode. When I have click on that, uh, these pages and this techability, this both pages are set to dark mode. How to this working? This will working on that like we have initialized this dark mode state in my file, and we have passing this as a props to different pages, okay, and use that state in on that page, okay. So this is a simple use cases of state, okay. And now I will focus on the stateless and stateful widgets. So simple like a stateless widget is a immutable, meaning that its properties cannot change once created. Okay. If you have initialized something and created like this is the image and this is the text, and within time you can't able to change uh, dynamically with some other functions and anything. Okay, so this is a simple of stateless, and they can remain constant. Stateless widgets are ideal for building static UI components that don't need to update during the app app's lifecycle. Okay, so you can also read this. Stateless widgets are the fundamental building blocks of Flutter reactive system designed to render simple UI elements that do not depend on mutable state. Okay, understand? So means if you have want to create simple app page and where you don't need to changing within time, and uh, so you have to simple use stateless widgets. And what is the stateful widgets? So see, a stateful widgets is dynamic. It can change over time based on the user interaction or other factors. Okay, making it suitable for components that need to be updated or redrawn. Okay, so basically, if you, I will take one example, a simple example. I have put one icon which is like a plus icon, and I have to click on that, and count will be changing. So how we have to put on UI? So one UI is user interface. This count are changing, and the text inside UI also should be changing. So this is the example we have to use stateful. Here we have to pass the state of counts, and we whenever we have click on the button, they will changing with time with time. Okay. So this is the simple useful of stateful widgets. Okay. So I will first I have to take this code, and you can simply copy if you have this one. If you are beginner, you should try to write all things. For me, I will copy this code, okay, and I will showing you example, okay. So this is the my VS code, okay, and here this man dot percent, okay. So I have to showing you, okay, okay, see. So here I have to, you can see that I have copy this code and paste here. Okay. I will explain everything here. Okay. So basically, here I have to first run the code and see what output will come. Okay. The error will come in because we have to restart this code. So how to run the code means how to run the code. We have to showing you. First, I have to go to the terminal and write the flutter run command. Okay. So I have written this command flutter run, and you can see they will showing which platform I want to run this app. Okay, so we have to run in Windows. Okay, you can do in your Android phone. Okay, so you knowing that Flutter multi platforms development. Okay, so here you can able to see Android or app also created by Flutter within single code base. Means Android, iOS, and Mac OS. Okay, Linux and web also web. web app also created, Windows also created. Okay, so these are come, my app has come. Okay, so you can able to see this is a simple stateless widgets where we have a simple using of extend simple stateless widgets. Okay, and we have simply put a simple title and nothing will be changing here. Okay, we have to simply put here, and if I want to create one button and this title should be changing when we have clicked. So this should not happen with the stateless widgets. So for that we have to use stateful. So here you can see first I have to create it. Okay, see this import will done for you have to import this material dot because this is the basic provide basic UI for your app. Okay, so why I have import this because you can able to see I have used material app. Okay, and inside material app I have used the home screens. Okay, so inside home screen what we have uh, class created which is my stateless widgets class created, and this title will be passed there. Okay, and you can able to see I have created here my class, my stateless widgets. Okay, and which extends stateless widgets. Okay, and this you should focus on stateless widget. Okay, here, and I have passed this final string here. Okay, and you can able to see this required of title. Okay, so this is the build function, which is starting. This will simple thing which use for build your UI, your widgets, all widgets tree. Okay, so if you are not comfortable this, I will start something other things. For example, import. If I want to material, wait, case and okay. Material dot I have import and I have start with void main. Okay, so in this I have run I have do run app. Okay, so this is the predefined functions. Okay, and inside that I have put my app name like my app. Okay, and you have to simply do this, and here I have created my class. Uh, my app class. Okay, so you can able to see I have to my app. Okay, and here we have to extend the stateless widgets. Okay, so you have to see extend keyword and uh, stateless. Okay, so stateless widgets. You can see here, and inside that I have. So here I have to simply create stateless widgets using of simple UI. Okay, so you have should be knowing about what is the state I have already explained. So basically, okay, for writing this will taking so much time. I will copy this code for and with time I will explain everything. Okay, so here you can able to see I have to here return scaffold where what is scaffold? Scaffold is just giving simple UI interface where there are present like various properties where you can able to use like app bar properties are present in scaffold. Okay, and I have used app bar for providing this title, and we have used body properties of scaffold, and this is the center widgets. Okay, and inside that I have created this child test. Okay, so you knowing that I when I run and this okay, can you able to see this? This is a simple stateless widgets. Okay, and just I have to giving this example with time. I will explain every concept and everything. If you have doubt, you can comment me. Okay, and I will explain everything with time. So okay, so have you understood what is the stateless widget? So basically, now I have to focus on the stateful. First, I have to see what is the stateful, and I have to copy this and paste here and see. Uh, I have to remove this because this currently not useful. Okay, I have to run. Okay, this will giving error. Why giving error? Because I have to simply hot reload. Uh, in Flutter, you should knowing about hot reload and hot start restart. Okay, so hot reload simply do by put simple small r. Okay, so hot reload happen in terminal, and when you put capital R, then hot restart will happen. So this you can able to see this is the stateful widgets. Okay. So here stateful widgets. What will happen here? Okay. So see when I have click on increments, can you able to see these are increased on? Okay. If you have a so for this test I have to give style. Okay. And for style. Okay, style and what we should give. So for that we can use like font size. Okay, so okay inside that I have to test style. Okay, and inside that I have to give like background color and here what will I put like for example give red color. Okay, so colors dot red. Okay, so and I have keep font size. Okay, so font family not font size. Okay, here and I have to give here like for example 20. Okay, size dot zero. Okay, see what will happen here. Just simply we can remove this. Okay, this font size will working or not. See if I have put 50. Okay, can you able to see this? These are changing with uh, change this font size. Okay, so we have when you have increased this uh, count are increasing. So how these stateful are working? So see here, I have a void man has been written. Okay, where I have uh, see this use this run app and inside that we have used material app. Okay, and home are inside are created. So see, if you have not understand, I will explain in Hindi. So देखिए ये क्या है ये एंट्री पॉइंट है एंट्री पॉइंट है whenever you have start flutter this is the entry point of your uh, app. Okay, and inside that this predefined function are already written inside Flutter developer. Okay, you have to use this run app. Okay, functions, and inside that you can able to use material app, Cupertino app, various widgets use. Okay, so we have used simple material app, and inside that I have created this form. Okay, stateful widgets. This form are created, and here you can able to see here stateful widgets are defined here. Okay, means sorry, we have to create class of stateful widgets and which are extends the stateful widgets. Okay, and here I have to override. I have to create new class for you can able to see here. I have to create here state of okay. See here. I have used this as a state, and so for that I have create private I have created this new class where we have to use create state and you this create state is the property where you can use for create the state of new state. Okay, so stateful inside stateful widget, this is the simple property which is used for creating state. Okay, so here I have to define the my new class name where this is the my stateful widgets state. Okay, so here you can able to see this class has been written here, and this is the private stateful class. Okay, where extends state. What state we have passing? We have to passing my state who stateful widgets here. uh, okay, so these are passing here the stateful widget. Okay, and you can simply see here we have to use increment counter where increment this counter are increasing and we have to set every time. Okay, and you can able to see here we have to this build are using for build whole UI and widgets tree. Okay, and we have to return the scaffold and app bar are created here. Okay, so this is the body center, means body where you have to use center widgets all things. Okay, and this is inside that we have created child or column in column wise all things showing. Okay, and this counter has been used here. Okay, so this is the simple way of here I have defined the counter in counters where this counter are defined, and here I have used every time. So this is the set state which are for using set state we have to use stateful widgets. Okay, so this is a simple use cases of that. Here you can able to see I have also created floating action button where every time whenever you have free means tap on that and click on that, increment counter function will be called. So this is the function which are called. So every time counter will increase and okay, so you can able to see here. Okay, so and tooltip is a simple like hint whenever your mouse going over that increment are showing here. Okay, and child this child icons are okay, put here. Okay, so add icon are put here. So this is the simple use cases of stateless and stateful widgets. Okay, so with if you have any doubt you can reach me and you have to comment on my YouTube on the comment section. Okay, and this is a simple use cases of understanding about. Okay, and I have written all articles about all on worth of that. Okay, you have to simply read all this. Okay, and I have provide all links about articles and my website where you can uh, uh, read go here and go there and see all things about. Okay, so this is a simple on concept here present here app element and Flutter element. Okay, so all articles has been written, you can do that one. So thank you. How are you? If you have if you have like this video and then you can share. Okay, and if you have if I will able to provide any good concept, then you can like one video. Okay, and if you okay, so thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye.